Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by closing Visual Studio Code and any child processes. This prevents file locks. Next, export or copy your user settings, key bindings, and the extensions list from %appdata% and %userprofile% so you can restore later. Once done, open Windows Settings Apps and Features and locate Visual Studio Code. Pick Uninstall. I'm starting with the official uninstall path because it removes the main application while leaving user data intact until you decide to remove it. After running the uninstaller, make sure it completes without error. This removes program binaries. You should then manually delete residual folders. VS Code in your user profile, code under %appdata%, and the program's folder in %localappdata% to clear extensions and cached data. If you need to be thorough, open Regedit and remove leftover keys for Visual Studio Code under HKCU and HKLM, but be careful, only delete keys that clearly reference code. These steps ensure a clean. Finally, restart your PC to make sure deleted files aren't held by the system and confirm no code processes run. If you plan to reinstall, restore your backed up settings and extensions by copying them back into the appropriate %appdata% and user folders. If something goes wrong, for example, an installer complains or files persist, run sfc/scano to repair system files and check Event Viewer for error details. That troubleshooting tip fixes many permission or corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.